Hello.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. Hi, Parnita ji. This is Prishika Goswami from One World News. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you. I'm all fine. How are you doing?
All well. So, welcome to Own Star Chronicles and thank you so much accepting our interview request.
No, it's my pleasure.
आप 15 साल से भी ज़्यादा हो गए इंडस्ट्री में. सो हाउ हैज़ योर पर्सपेक्टिव ऑन एक्टिंग एंड फेम इन्वॉल्व्ड ओवर द इयर्स?
Not aware हो गए acting because it's one of the very glamorous profession. तो
Yes.
पहले ये लोगों की हॉबीज थी, प्रोफेशन बन गई थी और लोग अपने लक को आजमाने आ जाते थे. पर आजकल लोग बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड होके आते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव सीन. नाउ देयर वर ऑलवेज गुड कॉलेज schools for acting, but now
Yes.
people, every second place you have these acting classes, and the new actors which are coming, they're well trained in acting, language, उनसे आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात कर लीजिए, चाहे वो मैंडरिन ना क्यों ना हो, like they're
Right.
so well prepared. Dance, आपके your fight and everything, they're well trained. Vocals, so now that they're trained actors. पहले सब natural acting थी, आजकल सब trained actors हैं, which is very
जब
very
आप
good.
आए थे तब
Very good
कैसा था?
profession. That was a beautiful era.
Of course
It
it
was
is.
very beautiful. हाँ, वहाँ पर हमारे टाइम में बहुत हेल्दी कंपटीशन हुआ करता था. हमारे टाइम में जब मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, पूरा इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली मैंने एड फिल्म से स्टार्ट की थी, तो तब इंडस्ट्री पूरी एड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री सिर्फ एक ही जगह मेनली थी, वो थी तारदेव फेमस स्टूडियोज. सो इट वाज रियली नाइस देयर. हम सब such polished people, educated people.
Right.
Plus, they knew how to conduct. अगर आप ऑडिशन पे जाएंगे तो वो उनको मालूम था वो आपको पर्सनली बुला रहे हैं और किसके लिए बुला रहे हैं.
Right.
जो आजकल ऑडिशन पे सभी को बुला लेंगे. किसी को तो कोई बेचारा बाहर खड़ा भी होगा, उसको बोलेंगे आप 3 घंटे के बाद बोलेंगे आप चले जाइए.
True.
तो अभी this is something which is a bad side, but ये चेंज तो मैंने देखे.
So you started your career with CID, right?
No, I started my career in TV with ad films, and then I started a TV show, which was my first show was Dil Kya Chahta Hai for Star One.
Okay.
Saket Chaudhary was the director.
Mm-hmm.
And it was a comedy show with Sameer Soni, Vikramacharya, मैं, Shunali Malhotra.
Okay.
Gaurav.
So how is the experience doing first show and उसने आपको कितना ज़्यादा शेप किया इंडस्ट्री के लिए?
वो शो कॉमेडी शो था. 3 लड़कियों 2 लड़कियों के बारे में. तो बहुत ही मजा आया मुझे वो शो करने में. बहुत कुछ लर्न करने को मिला, क्योंकि मैं एड फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से थी और ये टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री था. पर इट वाज अ लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस कि कैसे डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि अगेन हम कोई एक्टिंग स्कूल से तो आए नहीं थे.
Right.
So going on set every day was a school for me.
I guess that was the benefit. You all were natural.
Yes.
Okay.
जो डायरेक्टर जैसा बोला है वैसे, और थोड़ा बहुत अपने दिमाग से चला के किया.
So आपने मतलब अपने past interview में mentions किए कि that you love writing and traveling. How these things are like doing specific rules in your life? How you are influencing your career?
See, it's again a creative heart I have, right? So writing comes automatically. मैं अपने आप को express बहुत अच्छे से कर सकती हूँ words में. So writing is what I love. My experiences, like पहले हमें सिखाया जाता था कि आप जब अपना दिन खत्म हो जाए तो रात को एक डायरी लिखिए.
Okay.
Right? So वो इंटरेस्ट करते करते मैंने इतनी स्टोरीज लिखी हैं अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से. So I have a daughter, so hopefully the stories बने. हाँ, Tiara. Yes. So उसको जब मैं बचपन में उसकी स्टोरी सुनाई, I can come up with those beautiful story books for her, for the kids in fact. And traveling, acting is the best profession where it comes from going to different, travel places. Like I've traveled the world. I've done a show. Raj Travels दुनिया की सैर कर लो, वो आता था DD Metro पे.
Okay.
So almost I've traveled all over the world with them, with Samvad production.
Okay.
And traveling, हमारी shoot locations अलग अलग जगह
अभी के
होती हैं.
जनरेशन को तो DD Metro पता ही नहीं है.
हाँ, वो तो मालूम ही नहीं है उनको, पर I was lucky enough to travel the world with them.
Wow.
And yes, so traveling, I think ये profession में हम बहुत अलग-अलग जगह पे जाते हैं, and it's lovely, you know.
Yes.
And we are so spoiled with travel and best of the hotels that
Right.
We just spoiled. I think actually we just spoiled that way.
I am also solo traveler, so I can understand your heart at this
Yes,
point.
it's lovely, to meet people, to eat different kind of food, cuisine,
Yes.
and see the different clouds.
Lots of new experiences.
Yes. I think that's the best education one can have.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah,
So how you are balancing your life, like personal life and professional life? इतने साल हो गए आपको इंडस्ट्री में. How you are balancing all that?
I'm grateful to my family. So they are very, very understanding about what I like and what I understand what they like. So it's a mutual balance you got to do.
Okay.
So family is my biggest support. My husband, my parents, my daughter now. She's a teenager. So so I think it's just you've got to be blessed with a good family, and I'm blessed.
Right. So like in online, I actually searched a lot, but I did not find out any name or details about your husband. What is the reason you are hiding, or people are unable to search out?
No, you know what happens. लोगों को बात करने का कुछ टॉपिक चाहिए होता है. And for me, my family is very, very precious. So I just keep everything aside. जो कैमरे पे दिखता है और आप फोटोग्राफ दिखते हैं, वो तो इंसान रियल होता ही नहीं है ना.
Right.
और किसी को मौका मिल जाए तो अच्छी चीजों को बिगाड़ने का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों को. Yes. So
that is the first tendency of people.
Yes. So I think it's nicer that way.
Okay. So what is the most beautiful and memorable write-ups that you have done, and आपको वो खुद भी बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और आपके अपनों को, आपके दोस्तों को भी पसंद है? Can you share any?
Write-up?
Yes, anything, whatever you write and you like it.
Write? No. Stories, yes. I write stories, and my daughter, few of my friends love it. But those are magical stories. Actually, I feel life as a magic.
That's
So I feel everything is very, magical. Rising sun, to the, meeting new people, having suddenly a conversation. आप किसी के बारे में सोच रहे हो, आपको फोन कर ले, imagine ही तो क्या है.
Right.
So yeah, that's how I see, and that's how my stories are all about.
That's beautiful, actually.
Yes, it is.
So, is there any like a story or any moment of your childhood or when you are in like 18s wala phase that when you realize that you want to pursue this career?
This is an accident. I think जो होना होता है वो होना ही होता है. So as a kid, when I went to the principal to take my leaving certificate from the school, my principal told me, "I'm sure one day I will see you on TV."
Oh, wow.
And I had always had a stage fear, so I didn't know where that came from. And शायद उनकी कहते ना ज़बान पे एक बात बोलो सत्य हो जाती है.
आप बने ही बोलते नहीं entertainment industry के लिए थे, so he can see that.
I think my principal saw it.
Yes.
Yes, and that's what I remember. When I did my first accent, I was shocked. I never thought I had a major stage fear. So yeah, so that this is how my journey been from my principal seeing the magic in me. See, it's like all magic again. Still
seeing the magic actually.
Yeah.
And you are still like so young, When we see you in your pictures and everywhere, we thought कि आप maintain कैसे कर रहे हो? What is the secret behind?
एक तो camera lens.
That is there, but still.
I'm blessed with good genes, which I should say.
Oh my God.
So I think I should just give it to my parents. I'm blessed with very, very good genes. My nani, my dadi, superb genes.
Oh, wow.
Secondly, yes, मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है आपको अगर आपको एक जिससे से अपने आप को देखते हैं.
Right.
वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और yes, मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. मैं not a single day I miss my workout. I eat healthy. I'm a vegetarian, so I eat very, very healthy. That's what it is, I think. So मैं आयुर्वेदा believe करती हूँ, तो जिस वक्त खाना चाहिए. अगर आप वो चीज फॉलो करने तो I think so that's the biggest blessing for your body.
Right. So you're very, very particular about your routines and your diet.
Yes. I wake up early, I do my yoga, I do my workout, I properly this the sun, according to sun. Actually, Ayurveda says according to sun movement, you should eat your meal. Before sunset, I want to finish.
That's great, actually.
Yeah.
आपके इंडस्ट्री में ये चीज मेंटेन करना इज वेरी वेरी बिग टास्क.
नहीं, एक्चुअली जस्ट लाइफस्टाइल बनानी पड़ती है. अगर आपकी कोई किसी भी चीज में लाइफस्टाइल बन जाएगी और कहीं आपको फील नहीं होगा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ये करना ही पड़ रहा है, तो वो माइंडसेट अगर आप चेंज कर दो, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी.
राइट. Very, very true. I felt that right now.
You have to just follow the sun.
Yeah, exactly. After working on TV like several years, आपने फिर हम तुम किया, right? हाँ. So वो मतलब आपके लिए कितना अलग था? Because television has a different kind of thing. And जब आप मूवी में स्वाइप करते हो तो वहाँ पे एक अलग तरीके से शूट होता है, अलग तरीके से चीजें होती है, तो आपको कितना अलग लगा, डिफिकल्ट लगा?
मैं वो तो बहुत ही छोटा रोल था, कैमियो था वो, but it was a good experience. There were such good producers, Yash Raj, and plus Kunal, he was the amazing director. Actors, Saif Ali Khan was amazing, Nani Mukherjee. So Siddharth, आपके जो इस वक्त सबसे बड़े director and producer हैं. That time he was assisting. So they were all really nice. So I think I got a chance to work with such nice people and classy people, Khandani.
Right.
So मुझे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई. वो भी तो इतना कैमियो था, तो वो मुझे तो just a breeze of fresh air from TV.
Right.
So I had no issue. But after that, I didn't pursue films. I don't know why. I should have, but I just didn't pursue.
But your role in Ashram is very, very significant. आप बहुत अलग लगे उसमें. We were actually never expected कि हाँ आप ऐसे रोल में ऐसे प्ले करोगे. Oh my God, it was so real.
Yeah, thank you so much.
When we watch you, we were like, यार मतलब if we don't know that this is industry and we are watching a series, we will feel like ये तो ऐसी ही है. So it's like that. So it has so many controversies also. Like there was mixed feelings of people. Few were like कि हाँ सही चीज दिखा रहे हैं, बाबा राम रहीम के बारे में है, and few were like कि नहीं, ये नेगेटिवली हिंदुइज्म को इम्पैक्ट करेगी ये सीरीज, वो नेगेटिवली टारगेट कर रहे हैं. So what was your perspective on that? Because you are also Hindu and you are following Hinduism very, like, how you feel, how you want to answer them.
See, the thing is, you know what, ये कोई किसी एक धर्म का नहीं है. देखो लोग बुद्धू बनाने वाले 1000 मिलेंगे आपको हर रिलीजन में.
Right.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये किसी एक इंसान की स्टोरी नहीं है. वो तो आपको बाय चांस एक मिल गया कि वो कैरेक्टर वैसा लग रहा है, पर ऐसे तो आपको हर जगह मिलेंगे. आप कहीं भी जाएंगे तो हम क्या, जो नॉर्मल इंसान है ना, वो अंदर से इतना दुखी है, उसको कोई चाहिए कोई अच्छे से बात कर दे और उनको राह दिखा दे. तो ऐसे जो इस चीज को चांस लेके लोगों को बुद्धू बनाते हैं, वो बहुत है. तो किसकी गलती है? वो एक उस इंसान की गलती नहीं है. जो इंसान आप अपनी लड़की को छोड़ सकते हो किसी आदमी के पास, वो आपने गलती है, आपकी कमी है. तो ये ना किसी धर्म पे है ना किसी, तो हम इंसान को जागृत करने के लिए स्टोरी है कि आप सोचें तो क्या कर रहे हैं. I have a daughter. If somebody tells me that अपनी बेटी को यहाँ छोड़ दीजिए रात भर, why would I do that? And अगर मैं किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में हूँ, अगर आप मुझे सजेशन दे रहे हो, मेरा तो दिमाग होना चाहिए. तो this is what it is. We live with a herd mentality. So there's nothing like, why target Hinduism or any other religion? It's nothing like that. हम उस चीज को उसका मुद्दा बना रहे हैं और उसके लिए फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं. So that is the human race, which is like really shocking. It shocks me. But why can't you learn from it instead of just blaming and saying that, this? No, it's not targeting any religion, for God's sake. I am an ardent Hindu. मेरे घर में सुबह से उठते से भजन चलते हैं. हर चीज के लिए आप शुक्राना करते हैं. पर इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि आप अपना दिमाग तो खोलो ना, अपना दिमाग खोल के सामने वाले को ट्रस्ट करो.
Right.
वो तो हर आपको इतनी बुद्धि दी हुई है. So that means these are people who are stupid, absolutely stupid. I don't believe in all this. Such a good show. कितनी मेहनत करी हम सब एक्टर्स ने, कितने अच्छे से लिखा गया वो शो.
Right.
और उसके बाद इंस्टेंट कंट्रोवर्सी बनाना है क्योंकि उनको उस चीज से फायदा हो रहा है. That's it.
Okay. So, like, there is one more reason that we are calling it ashram, right? This is a Hindi word, and people use like कि आश्रम में मतलब हिंदुओं को ही टारगेट कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो क्या है कि अगर इस चीज से स्टोरी बना दी कि देखो इट्स वेरी वेरी, अगर मैं कुछ बोलूंगी तो बात की भी कंट्रोवर्सी हो जाएगी.
Right.
So I don't think so. You know what? I really don't. According to me, it's a beautiful story depicted.
Definitely.
नाम उसका आश्रम दिया. अगर उसको हॉस्टल दे देते, अगर उसको कुछ भी बोल देते तो भी उसके
like related to any another religion.
हाँ, वो कुछ भी उस चीज में कुछ भी निकाल देते तो वो आई थिंक उन्होंने प्रकाश झा सर ने तो नाम भी चेंज किया उसके बाद. पर उस चीज के लिए वो ना अभी हमें बहुत हो गया. हम नहीं, राइटफुल है कि हर रिलीजन को अपना हक चाहिए होता है, अपने लिए बात करें अपना. ना हमारे पास क्या हिस्ट्री है हिंदू की, एंड हमारे कितने बड़े ग्रंथ हैं. दैट्स अमेजिंग. हमको सीखना चाहिए. तो हमारा फर्स्ट थिंग, द नंबर 0 इज कम फ्रॉम अस. एवरी लिटिल थिंग इज कम फ्रॉम अस. बट उस चीज को प्राउड कर दिखाए, बताइए, आप जरूर बताइए पब्लिक को, उसको अवेयर करवाइए इस चीज के लिए. दिस डजंट मीन दैट कि आप उस चीज का एक चीज का मुद्दा बनाए. आई रियली डोंट थिंक. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी अनफेयर. वो नाम को लेके यार, आई डोंट नो उनका रीजन हो गया उनके पास. तो मुझे इस बात के लिए I think as an actor, I feel I'm just working in it, and there's no disrespect to any religion.
Right. People only need to understand that what is we are trying to make people understand, right?
बिल्कुल. अगर आप किसी का भी अगर आई डोंट नो, जैसे पहले कॉमिक्स आती थी हमारे ऑल द स्टोरीज ऑफ टिंकल, उसके भी कितने सारे नाम हुआ करते थे. उसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि आप किसी रिलीजन कर रहे हैं. हमने नाम कोई भी रख लिया. इट्स आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ सीइंग थिंग्स. और फिर वो मुद्दा बनाना है. जैसे हमारे घर में भी ये बातें हुई हैं इस बारे में. पर आई थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स अ स्टोरी. और ये प्लीज यू टू अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज डोंट बिलीव इन एनी वन फ्रॉम एनी रिलीजन. समबडी टेलिंग यू टू डू थिंग्स, लीव योर डॉटर्स. हम अपना ज्वेलरी किसी नौकर के पास नहीं छोड़ के जाते, किसी वॉचमैन के पास नहीं छोड़ के जाते, तो हम अपनी बेटियों को कैसे कर सकते हैं?
राइट.
So why would you do that? Use your brain. Don't follow blindly.
Yes.
God is everywhere, yeah. Whether you name him Krishna, you name him any God, every God is in everything.
Yes, very true.
बहुत ही controversial है ये.
That is actually, मतलब ये इतना ज्यादा controversial है कि एक पॉइंट पे आके हर किसी का ब्रेन वॉश कर सकते हैं लोग.
हाँ, वही है. पर वो यही है, ब्रेन वॉश में देखिए ना कितने वॉल्स हो गए. थोड़ा इंसान अगर अपने दिमाग से ही सोचेगा तो sad, मैं तो ये बोलती हूँ, it's a beautiful story, depicted, yes, names, I think so it's, तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती इस बारे में क्योंकि मैं उस चीज में नहीं हूँ. पर I think it's a beautiful story depicted and there's a lesson for everyone, so that's it.
Yeah, at the same time there are so many things people can understand and what not to do वाला जो होता नहीं है points, वो निकाल सकते हैं वहाँ से.
बिल्कुल. So that's it. Just take it that way. Why mix religion with it?
Right. And somehow these things are happening somewhere. That is why the story is making, right?
Yes, it's happening everywhere. Forget this, it's happening everywhere. It's in every office. You are in the media. You know how
yes,
it works.
I know.
So there are girls who are coming from different cities and they're sitting in a cafe and people are approaching them and it happened in front of me where people come and approach that he's making an actor. Right. And the girl is believing, give me a break, use your brain.
Right.
If you don't want to use your brain, then I'm sorry, then don't blame any religion. It's you who's at fault.
Because it was your decision, not religion's decision. That is also true.
Yes.
Right. So what are the challenges and memorable things you have done in your, despite all over the 15 years of your career, like कुछ चीजें जो आपको याद आती हो, challenges जो आपको अभी भी याद आती हो, आपके लिए learning हो?
Traffic is a big challenge nowadays, and as such, the people who use foul language. Earlier, nowadays all the new directors, the new generation, that is one thing good that they are well educated. Earlier also the people were well educated, but abusing in Hindi was very cool, which now, it's not. And thank God for it. because which I would not understand. That was the biggest struggle. If somebody would abuse and talk, and I'll be like, why would you do that?
Right.
There's respect. Yeah. So for everyone, from your lifespan to everyone, please, give respect and talk. That was one of my major issues in the industry. What exactly you asked me?
These challenges in which make you uncomfortable, or you learned something from that.
Learning, I learned every day from everyone. You got to see them in that light. I think so. Everybody, not to judge.
Right.
And the one thing which I've learned is not to judge. Everybody's coming from a different walks of life. कितने सारे लोग कहाँ से इतने दूर से आते हैं. Then you know what? That's their struggle, and it's very easy for to sit behind and judge किसने ऐसा किया, इसने ऐसा बोला. So give them the chance. That's what I've learned in this industry. It's okay. People have their reasons to behave in a certain manner. It's okay. I've been blessed with a family, so you know what? I had actually no issues with the industry at all.
That's beautiful, actually.
Yeah, thank you.
So what was your most fulfilling project in your career? Like, so far you have done so many things.
See, I'll tell you, Ashram is again a turning point because it's Mr. Prakash thing show. So that was my turning point. Before that, actually every show has was been a good experience. I learned everything, new things, but my last show, Vanshaj, was another for TV. It gave me a kind of recognition which TV has more recognition, which I realized. Because,
right.
Every house,
people connect differently because.
Yeah, and the show was really nice. Because my character was negative, but people loved it. Like every day I walk out and people come and tell me that we love you. So I enjoy doing that.
You look beautiful in negative characters.
Yeah, I think they like that innocent and good-looking people behaving badly. Negative is so much fun. Otherwise, positive looks hote hi rehte hain.
Right.
So negative, playing negative, and convincingly people hating you. Like I know somebody came up to me and like, we hate you. I love it. That's what I wanted to hear because it's my character working.
Right.
Yeah.
So what was the most rewarding feedback or recognition you have received for your work? जो आपको अभी भी लगता है कि यार सच में बहुत अच्छा था.
Then Vanshaj, which I played Gargi's role, really people, the character brief was given to me. The look brief, not the character. The look brief was given to me as Neeta Ambani. And when it was given to me, nobody else knew except the designer and me.
Okay.
And on the road, people got me and told me that, you're playing Neeta Ambani. And I'm like, no, I'm not playing Neeta Ambani, but yes, my look is. So that came across, that people did associate me, my look, to her.
Right.
So, yeah, so that was something which I felt, yeah, it worked. Because it's in my brain and the designer's brain, I have to look like that, but people could understand.
That's very true. So, do you have close friends within your industry or outside the industry? How you are managing your friend goals?
And both inside and outside the industry, and how I'm managing them. Friendship is such a beautiful relationship. No, you don't have to manage them. Friends understand. If you're busy, you're busy.
Right.
If you need them, they are there at any given point. So you don't have to. If they're automatically, if they're friends, you don't have to balance anything. They just flow with you. So my friends of industry who I've grown up with, they understand me very well, and I don't think so nobody else understands me as how they understand me.
Right.
And this industry, they're very nice. And absolutely lovely people.
So who is your best friend then?
Best friend.
Like bestie, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्री का हो या बाहर का, एक होता है ना कि हाँ यार वही है.
I have a childhood bestie. Her name is Simra. So we've been together from nursery, and now we're still together.
She's watching you always.
Yeah, she's watching me. She keeps telling me to do it now. She's also into journalism, so she keeps telling me. She teaches, in fact. So she'll always help me. She'll have her do's and the don'ts because that's what she. But I can't help it. I'm completely different to what she is, but she's my bestie.
Friends are the true mirror, actually, na?
Yes, they're true mirrors. Especially your childhood friends, completely they show you the mirror. The others might get scared. But I am blessed with friends also. They'll tell me, Pari, you didn't do well. Or Pari, you didn't look nice. So they'll tell me.
Oh, that's great. Like every actor, do you have any dream role you want to do or play like that kind of role?
I would love to actually play mom of Sridevi. That movie, that was movie beautiful. And in fact, all the movies, English. So she has been my inspiration. And I love the way she carried herself. So beautiful and brilliant actress.
Right.
Yeah. That's one thing. Okay. I love to play, the movie Mom. What Sridevi played.
Her Mom was beautiful movie, actually.
Yeah. She in English, she's stunning. She's so good.
Yeah, that's true.
Every movie from Sadma to Chandni to name the movies, she's the legend. Yeah.
But those were like this generation's legend movies, Mom and English.
Yeah.
Only that mid period of children can understand the 90s childs.
Yeah. They were not the young kids now. They don't know what it is. They just know Janhvi Kapoor, and if they know Janhvi Kapoor, they should know the genes are coming from such a beautiful gene.
Right.
So then I would love to play even very old films of Shabana Azmi and Mahesh Bhatt had directed, which was this film. I think I'm forgetting the name of it. Naseeruddin Shah and Shabana Azmi Shah and Smita Patil. That was another film I had loved.
So, in my research, I got to know that you love Deepika Padukone so much.
Yeah, very pretty.
So, how she is inspiring you in professional and personal life?
Oh, the body! My God, I would love to have a body like that. I wish I could just, pull myself and become tall. But the body which Deepika Padukone has, I think so. After a baby, also she looks
she's so beautiful.
Beautiful in the way she's so graceful. She carries herself. She'll talk less, but she knows how to conduct herself again. And again, I think it's all in, the family you come from. So, father like that. The parents are so grateful. Right. So, that's how, I like, she's very grateful. About her relationship. She's never spoken anything bad. She's very grateful about her entire life.
Yes. Yeah. She's always like that.
Yes, very grateful. If I get a chance, I'd love to.
Yeah, definitely.
Work with her. Yeah.
We'll wish you all the very best for that.
Thank you.
Definitely one day we will see you like with her in one frame and we are going to enjoy it. Yeah, definitely. So if you were in step into a biographical film, if you get a chance, तो आप किसको play करना चाहोगे और like why?
Sridevi. Oh wow. Yeah, so I don't know about the as you said, the new generation will not know, but I think they should know who Sridevi was. As a child artist, how her journey has been, and the journey of her life. I'm sure she's had seen so many ups and downs.
Right.
So, would love to see her exactly, how and what all happened in her life. In fact, even Rekha ji.
Yes.
Yeah, they're very graceful actors.
She's forever young, Vana.
Yes, she started as a child, and look at her now. She knows with every time she smiles and laughs, and with so much grace.
Yeah. She's so pretty from heart and outside, in and outside. She's both.
Yes. So these are the two people I would love to end in cinema.
Yes. Can you talk about your motherhood journey? Like when you become mom, what have been changed in your life, in your thoughts? What was the challenges and what was the beautiful things you have experienced after being mother?
Motherhood just changes everything. every girl never, thinks that she's going to be exactly like how, so, not, when we are young, we just so carefree. We back answers our mom.
Right.
We take it for granted. And once we become a mom, you understand how beautiful it is. That's the only true love. It's a one way.
Yeah.
Mother will always be a mother. You'll die as a mother because the kind of love a mother gives to a child, nobody else can do that. And the feeling which I got after being a mom was, I think, it's the whole life, everything, that as I said, you just die a mom. So you wake up thinking about your child. You sleep, not even worrying, but, leaving it to God,
Right.
take care of it. And yeah, challenges, yes. Like as I have a teenager, it's a big challenge to, teach her what is right and what is wrong.
Right.
So that is something is a challenge now because the world is moving so fast that, our time was completely different. And our time is just like within after COVID, I think the time is just different.
Time is flying now.
Yeah, AI and Instagram and our patience running out because of, we are just scrolling all the time. So we don't have patience.
Right.
So I think these are challenges which I'm actually, going through with my daughter. But that's the most beautiful relationship in the world.
Yes, definitely. But like you are in that kind of industry जहाँ पे time manage करना is very very big task. So how you are managing time for your daughter?
So whenever I have time, I spend with her. I'm a better mom if I'm working. That's one thing. So I think every woman should be standing on her own feet.
Right.
So that is very, very important. So I tell her I'm a better mom if I'm working. So whenever I have time, my entire time, that my free time is completely hers.
Right.
Whatever she wants to do, whatever I want to do with her. So it is completely me and her, nobody else.
So what she loves to do? Like, can we see her also in the screen, or she is choosing something else?
It's her night. So if she wants to choose, it has to come to her. So first, education, yes, you stand on your own feet. And if that makes you join the industry, I think industry is beautiful for everyone. So I have a space for everyone. So let's see how it goes with her.
Right. She's also watching you?
She watches me. Yeah, daughters, baby watch the mothers every movement. She's the one I find handling my Insta. My PR is handling my Insta, but she will be dominating them, what to be, added in it.
Oh,
so
wow.
Yeah, she's a new generation, so I guess I have to hear her. I don't know how the word what she uses, but yeah.
It is wonderful actually if she is taking care of all these things then.
Yeah, she doesn't. If I'm getting out of the house and I'm just in my casuals, she'll tell me, Mom, people are watching you. Please save your clothes. So that's how she is.
Now she became mama's mama.
Yeah. Daughters they do become. Like I still control my mother, so I have no problem. She's controlling me.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Touch wood.
Thank you. Yeah.
So what is next for you? Like, what are the plans and what you have signed, if you can share?
Very frankly and very truthfully, I'll answer this because this is actor's life. You know what? When we have work, we really have work. And when we don't have work, we really wait for work.
Right.
So work comes to you. You don't search for work. So I've been blessed with that. And things have fallen into my lap with really beautiful work. So yes, something is there and you'll come to know very soon. So
it was a beautiful conversation with you. Thank you so much for that and for your valuable time actually.
Thank you so much. It was lovely having this conversation with you.
Yeah, thank you so much and all the very best for your future. Hope we'll see you with Deepika Padukone one day and hope we'll see you in the biography of Sri Devi. If it happens, I'll be the most happiest one. I'll send you the flower then to congratulate you.
Yes, it was lovely speaking to you, and you take care and stay healthy, darling. And yes, please don't misquote anything about the religion. So that's something which I'm very proud of. So, and the ashram series, it's lovely, it's beautiful, and even Prakash Shah sir is very religious. So please do not disrespect anything. Thank you.